Here, so I'll show you how to easily make music sound distant in Premiere Pro. First of all, I'm going to show my current music sound. Now to add an effect for distant, go to effects, and here in search effect type here low pass and add this low pass effect to your audio or music. Then select the music clip and go to effect controls, and here you will find this low pass effect. Just change this cutoff value, so I'm giving here 1300, and now let's play this music. And here, as you can see, currently this music has changed, and you can also change these value. Let's add 150, and now let's play our music. That's how you can actually add distant effect in our music. You can easily increase or decrease this cutoff value according to your choice.